at this crazy shit.
Right? He's not scary.
He's scaring the fuck out.
Oh my god, they're like everywhere.
Oh my god! Back up! What's this thing?
Oh my god! Ew, you're ugly! Ew!
What is it?
I don't know.
What the fuck is it? What the fuck was it? He's crying! Back up! Look, he's crying! Oh my god! Y'all let this baby over here crying! He cried! I can't.
This better be the best $20 car wash.
Wait, he was crying! Oh my god. Here he goes.
And he got like one arm.
Oh my god, who is this motherfucker?
There's like,
This is a spooky car wash. What is he supposed to be?
scream.
Oh, he got one arm. That's fucked up. Look at him! I can't! He's hilarious! Girl, look at this! What is that? What is that?
Oh my god.
Brother, what is that? Y'all, I ain't gonna have no voice left. Oh my god. Look at him! Ew!
Oh my god, look at the kid.
Oh my god! Look at the baby! He's so upset, y'all. Look at him.
Oh my god. Mine's hot too. So cool though.
Oh my god. You can't take black people.
Oh my god.
Oh no, Halloween.
Oh my heart. Oh my god, here comes the scream man with the one arm.
Where is it?
He's right behind me. And that one creepy one with the long nose.
I can't see him. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
He's chilling too. He's just walking. He's like, does he really have one arm? Oh, he really does.
He's like, please stop, no.
That's sad. Oh shit. Here comes another one. Oh.
I want to hear what he's.
He said, please leave me alone. He said, please.
My
He's so
throat.
upset. Oh my god.
Oh my
He's so upset. He said, please leave me alone. I'm that parent. I'll take my child anyway. Oh Lord, he's got a damn chain. He ain't playing.
My heart is beating so fast.
Oh, that little boy gonna pee on himself. His daddy tormenting the shit out of him. Listen, he's so upset. He's scared. Look, he up there with his mama. He up there with his mama and his daddy.
Oh shit.
Look at this motherfucker. He's enjoying the shit out of that. Look, they took her drink.
Alright.
I see they gave it back. Oh, let me back up. Let's go to a spooky car wash.
I know, right?
Oh my gosh.
I hope nobody like tries to grab my arm when I roll down my window to pay. I'm gonna be like, here you go.